Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know what the reason. Thank God them with my glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them.
So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you know what I mean, my G's them right now, you don't know, it's a no day, so it's a no vlog. They are consume water. But up on a water diet again, remember me not drink nothing more than water, me not do juice, me not do nothing, just 100% water. Alright, today right now I'm hungry and I'm a cheat day, so me I go deal with some food, some unhealthy food, and I mean, well, it's healthy, but yeah, some different things. So today what we are gonna do is Kay and Travis the outside, by the way, see soon, so them walk in anytime now. Them out there take picture. But right now, as me said, today I want to do, we probably just do a veggie burger, vegan burger. Cause you know vegan burger is just plant based, so just plant make it up, you know what I mean? It look like meat and taste like meat, but the meat in there just plants, you know what I mean? And beans and something there. So we are gonna do that, we are gonna do fries, and we'll probably do a mackerel pizza, probably, cause I have a small pizza crust, so we'll probably use that. Yeah, I see if me have everything. If me have everything, then we are gonna do. Alright, we have French fries, we have that left over, so we are gonna deal with that.
Is it
I tell you, say, then soon fall down with that one. You know what I mean? So we're gonna make some patty.
You gonna make what?
So I'm gonna make a something there to a dirty girl mackerel. You know what I mean?
With the bone or with?
Without the bone. Me not put no bone in there. Everybody that comment about that, you know.
But some people did say they like it with.
Only
Exactly.
enough people say they like it.
Exactly. But glad say you know, you said it not me.
Yeah, but more say
Without. No, more say with it. More say with.
what, with the bone?
Yeah.
No, more say without the bone.
More say.
No, I mean more food with the bone. When the bone stay there, more food they get with that shit.
Oh. Well, Chaba say you leave the bone in it.
You get more food with it.
You get more food, so Chaba separate a different kind of way, you know. So alright, you don't know where have we sweet pepper them already, that are for the pizza. Don't have with cheese. Oh, yeah. Well, we don't have to use no pizza sauce because you don't know where you use mackerel, and mackerel already in its sauce, so we don't need no sauce for that. You need no sauce, too much sauce, sauce. Alright, we have where, I forgot what this name. When me done, me tell you, I try to remember it. Lettuce. Put up on the burger. Tomato for the burger. You don't know. Vegan mayonnaise, ketchup. And we are gonna make some chipotle sauce. Yeah, so they're on track for right now. So right about now,
It's going down.
it's going down, and it's not even the DM.
We talking about right here on the couch,
Yeah.
baby.
Cool.
Salt mackerel pizza.
Wait, no salt mackerel, tin mackerel.
Wow.
Me a sweat.
You had this
Couldn't
before?
take it.
Or you trying this?
Me, yeah. All right, pizza we are trying first. Pizza first. Pizza we are go first, people. Mackerel
Y'all
pizza.
wanna eat the pizza first too. What you know about that pizza? What?
It's hot though. You pray for the food?
Pizza Hut? Yo, my tomato drop out. John. The burger not perfect again.
Wow. This tastes good. What the heck?
You don't expect mackerel pizza at all.
Mackerel pizza?
Mm-hmm.
No.
It just sounds weird like, you know, if it work, but it worked.
Nah, this shit look. Wow. I'm amazed.
It's hot, I don't know.
It's really good. Now you got me thinking about other stuff that, you know, we could turn into a pizza. Will it be?
Callaloo, me I go do callaloo after.
Wait, would it be pizza? No.
Maybe bad, you're afraid.
No. No, that.
What?
What? Whoa, look. What's smoke?
6. Yes. Eat my phone for him. I got them say me no cool, me food when me I eat. Food tastes better when you hot.
Clearly, you really don't. You like.
Yeah, man.
This me.
But while the bun me can't be talking now. Yeah, pizza bad for real.
No, this shit lit. Man.
Bad. Oh. You want me to feed that bowl like that?
You know, Bestie had said, why you didn't carry no Aki pizza for me? I said, girl, what you know about that?
See how
No.
you see Aki pizza, man. Everybody want your Aki pizza.
And it was like, well, now they gonna want this next.
Mackerel.
And plus, you know, this is easy access, so.
Yeah, easier for me.
Easier to make.
Way cheaper for me than Yaki pizza.
Yeah? Don't forget we got the fries with the sauce.
Yeah.
This meal within like 30 minutes or 20 minutes.
I mean, even bite in the burger yet.
I ain't even touched the burger. The pizza got me.
I done the pizza first before I start the burger one.
This my last piece. This my last piece.
Pizza? Me left pizza only for Chabas if you don't want it.
You don't need none of this.
Wow, Simba down. What is
I'm trying to swipe it for me.
Come, go get it. Sit next to me.
I have to push the wire in my mouth. This way. Pause.
what?
What? Come get the pizza, let me help you.
You should buy a big crust them dog. You look at something a full dog. I say it's smaller than the plate, you know. The crust size of the pizza. Damn. Watch out. Him no cool food neither.
That's why he don't want to share. He eating it over there.
Put the camera over there and I zoom all the way up on him.
Damn, that thing was so far.
A pizza, a body, you know. You me with Fifi burger and pizza more.
Nah, lie. Nah, lie.
Yo, a pizza, watch out.
Nah, lie. Never have I ever eat something like this before.
Yo. Alright, me I go treat my burger now. So me I want my burger, you know.
How?
You know eat tomato?
Shoot, that's too much.
Okay, don't eat tomato, guys. Pick out the most important
Don't tell them
part.
that, because I'm supposed to eat it. I'm supposed to, but
No, we are telling you don't eat tomato.
no, I don't like it.
You know, a good burger, you can't afraid to get your dirty. You know what I mean?
Hey, you're not afraid for choke either, right?
If somebody don't near you to knock your back, you can eat fast if you want. If you're alone there somewhere and you're nobody know the day if you're choke
But
to knock your
even
back.
if somebody near can knock your back, remember I said that person cannot eat too.
So, how coincidentally, two somebody a choke one time.
Shit, let's see it. Who choked first right now? Look at my burger. Shit. My burger.
Hello?
Your burger fall apart.
Yeah, I ain't even
I
picked it up.
tomato then before. Oh, you put fries in the burger?
Hey.
Okay, know this webs.
Yeah, I will take on the charger.
Okay, I put
Baby,
fries in the
you
burger.
behind you. You move the charger.
Mind that. You can go and use it still, you know. Oh, need burger, need burger. What's okay, Wally burger?
Good. Like a burger.
On my phone.
If you want a burger,
You got a
eat a burger.
If you want some french fries,
Eat a french fry. Wait, my bird keep on sliding. You ate yours yet? Damn, hold on.
you're missing tomato.
If you want a french fry, eat a french fry.
Shabbos never want to jump on a boat. What up? Yo, yeah, got Canada sick. The man got Canada sick. And right now, Canada freeze. I go finish eating my food and then link on the back. No, I not link on the back. I edit this and I'm gonna get this. And then I link on the back. Could they?
You're done.
Blessings and respect for coming out and watch this. Yo, me and I'm tired now, dog. Blessings and respect for coming out and watch the video, yeah? They say, out of 1 out of 10 for mackerel pizza.
You don't see that drip.
I want drip.
The sauce.
Yeah, man, that's a more mine, so.
Exactly, so guess what? This thing just got a 12.
How much? 1 out of 10, 12?
12. 12.
That's 6 and 6 hours.
12.
Sorry. Bless upon yourself.